Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing problem, or Instagram Reels option is not working on your Android devices, and how to fix this up. So the first step is very basic. You just have to go to your Play Store and you have to search for Instagram at the top, and you have to search for Instagram at the top. Now you just have to check for any kind of updates are there. So update is it, so you just have to update your Instagram. This is the first and basic step, and once it is done, most probably see whether this is fixed or not. And if it's not working, then we have to follow the next instruction. Just tap on settings, then from here you just have to move to apps, select apps, and you have apps option at the top also. You have to select this too. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to see where is Instagram. So let me scroll down, and I'm going to select Instagram from here. Okay, now there is Instagram, so I have to open this. Now there is a storage option, so I have to tap on this once again, and I have to tap on clear cache. Okay, the first thing is I have to tap on clear cache. I have to tap on clear cache, and also it is done. And once after that, you just have to tap on clear data also. But here, as you can see, when you tap on clear data, let me tap on it once again. So tap on clear data. Now you'll be getting a message like this. This will permanently delete all of his apps data, including the files, settings, and etc. So I'm not going to that about, but you can try this out. Now this is what you have to do. And once you have done clear cache as well as clear data, you have to do a restart on your Android devices, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.